Whether you're procrastinating on starting a big project or fear is keeping you from progressing as an individual, nothing will change unless you get started. You will remain stationary or in your current trajectory unless an external force is applied for you to change state. These are some of the common fears that I had, so let me show you how I overcame them. Fear of the unknown. This is based on the fact that you do not know what will happen. You are not sure of the rewards because you are not sure of the risks. And from there we have paralysis because taking risks seems like a bad idea. But the problem lies that everything is unknown until you start taking actions. As you keep grinding and moving forward, your actions will help you predict the future. Doing your assignment step by step will inevitably lead you to finish it. Studying properly day by day will inevitably lead you to have more confidence in acing the exam and actually doing it. Exercising 30 minutes a day will inevitably lead you to have a better physical and mental health. Unknown starts to be known when you gain information, and that can only be done through action. Fear of failure. You're afraid to take action because you fear of failing. But here are two concepts to reframe a failure. First, to realize that failure is one of the culmination of events. The other culmination is success. You start your journey knowing nothing, and the moment you take your first step, you gain experience. When you gain experience, then you can reframe where to go next in the ladder of subsequent steps. Your input are actions, and your output is the result. Imagine it as a probability graph where not taking action will automatically lead you to 100% failure. As you keep taking appropriate actions, your probability of failure decreases more and more. And my second point is that failure is often necessary for growth. I failed to enter medical school the first time, and I'm eternally grateful for it. It made me more self-conscious about my actions. I learned a lot in terms of personal development and mindset. I changed as a person because failure revealed my weaknesses. If I entered the first time, my weaknesses would still be hidden, and I would not be able to work on them to grow as a person. It is okay to fail as long as you learn from it. These are the building blocks to success. Fear of imperfection. Nothing starts at perfect. It starts with imperfection and you will suck a lot. But as you keep progressing and improving, you will suck less and less. Eventually to the point where you will suck so little that you will start being good. This can be applied everywhere, whether that is studying or personal life. Take an example like this channel. I wanted to make content since I was 16, and yet I kept delaying and delaying because I thought I needed to be perfect. Look at my first video now. It's quite bad, and even this video is bad because there is so much to be improved. But I know I can improve, and I will keep improving step by step in everything. Your public speaking skills, your essay that you have to write, your study plans, your PowerPoint presentation, your art project, your exam scores, your business idea, and many other things all start from being very bad. As you practice and gain more knowledge, they will be less bad. Repeat the cycle and eventually you will be good. Fear of commitment. It can be scary to commit to something new. You're basically having to put extra responsibility on your shoulders. So basically more work and effort to achieve the end results. And it's even harder to know if you will get the results that you want. Here is the thing. A lot of the results are never immediate. Getting A+ consistently is a lot of hard work and dedication, and you will not see a drastic change immediately. Getting into shape takes a lot of days of working out and going through meal routines. Launching that successful business means going through periods of droughts where you have no revenue. Nevertheless, commitment brings change, and change brings consistency, and consistency brings you closer to your goals. I have been uploading on this channel for many months and only finally seeing the slow results of my commitment. Same went with my grades. I saw my understanding and grades improve after committing to studying for many months. The compound effect is a real phenomenon, so keep going even if you do not see the results yet. And one day, everything will click in an instant. Starting is necessary for experience and growth. So, if you'd like to know how to get the best start, then click here. My name is Saeed, and it is my job to make you straight up better.